Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to reset the oil life and set it to 100%. This video will apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. Now you will be using these menu buttons on the left side of the steering wheel and looking into this left side of the screen on the instrument cluster. So I will zoom in a bit. Now to access the main menu, first press the left menu button. And now you will scroll down until you reach the settings and press OK in the middle. Now again select vehicle, press OK, and here you will have oil life reset, press OK. And now I just did my oil change and now hold OK to reset it for a couple of seconds. And the oil life will be at 100%, and you should do this every time you change the oil, and then the vehicle will remind you when the next oil change is due. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.